Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is Crypto Elite, home to the #1 Theta community. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And you can find me on Theta TV as well. Alright, in today's video, I have another partner. It was a previous partner, but they are expanding their use case with the Theta ecosystem, and I wanted to give a shout out to this news. Recently discovered it, and it is Shout Factory. If you know, previously in my past videos I've talked about them. They use the Theta streaming service for Theta TV, but now it looks like they're starting to utilize the video on demand service as well. So if you're unfamiliar with them, here is a quick about us. So for almost 20 years, Shout Factory has redefined what it means to be an entertainment company for fans by fans. There's beginnings lovely releasing and reviving beloved cult films and classic TV series. Shout cultivated an uncanny ability to rediscover great content and applied these skills to producing and distributing fan-driven new releases that set the bar for independent entertainment. So that is what they are in a nutshell. Here are some of the big companies. There's Shout Studios, there's Shout Factory TV, of course, Mystery Science Theater 3000, Scream, and then also Shout for Kids. So those are the different little, sub companies underneath the overall brand of Shout Factory, and they each have their own little cult classic and following, which is really good. But here's the article that I wanted to just share with everyone, and then I'll have some follow-on details as well. So in a new relationship, Shout Factory delivers cult TV favorites to Theta TV. So we can see here they're thrilled to be expanding our channel reach to the Theta audience, says the senior vice president of Shout Factory. So when the platform debuted its video on demand services last week, it was backed by a number of Bitcoin content creators as well as other crypto content creators, and we'll check out some of that video on demand as well. So now you can watch all of that by people around the world 24/7, and you can get the TFUEL incentives, of course, with Theta TV. So that is some of the positives, and they kind of reiterate that they are delighted. So the announcement comes as Theta Labs' content in real life and cryptocurrency categories continue to expand, and as we know, they are starting or continuing actually to get more and more partners, and this is just a similar partner or a partner that they've had previously, but they are expanding their use case, which is really good. So if we do go back to Shout, we can check out some of their TV series. There's the press centers over here, and you can select Shout Factory TV. The live channels, you can see that there are a couple different live channels over here. Shout Factory TV, MST3K, so they're all right here, and you can select whichever one you would like to watch, and I believe this is utilizing the Theta TV service. So that is one thing, and then I also selected some of their films over here. They have a wide selection, very wide selection of films, and as you can see here, I believe this is using the Theta Video API service. One of the dead giveaways for Theta Video API, when I've noticed, I could be wrong here, but whenever you start to watch, it's always muted and you have to unmute it. So it doesn't straight up say Theta anywhere on here, which is a great thing about the Theta Video API, but I believe the video on demand service from Shout TV is also using it as well. So if we go over to the Theta Video API, we can see why all of these companies are starting to use it, and simply put, it saves a lot of money. So here's the website if you're unfamiliar with it, thetavideoapi.com, and all you have to do is upload a video. You can play it anywhere, and you can optimize it with Theta peer-to-peer. There's a live demo, and here's the pricing. So this is the big winner. You can save up to 40% on video ingest. You save up to 30% on video storage and video delivery, which is very, very expensive, guys. You can save up to 60% on those costs. So here's a monthly example where you can just see all of the savings if you were to utilize all of their services. So that is why all of these companies are starting to use Theta Video API, and Shout Factory is one of them. So this is just a stepping stone, and some of the previous partners that we've seen and use cases are Fuse TV. They're doing the NFTs on Theta Drop, and they might also be using that Theta Video API to cut down some of the CDN costs. And also Junkin Media, as we know, is another one. With Fail Army, this is happening. People are awesome, and the Pet Collective. So these are all stepping stones to get to the huge major video streaming platforms like Apple TV Plus, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video. So it's nice to see that Theta is continuing to walk in the correct direction. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.